In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Squarespace logo from your browser tab in just 5 minutes. This is a simple yet essential task if you want to give your website a more professional and customized appearance. Removing the default logo, or favicon as it's known, can help make your site stand out and mirror your brand more closely. Let's dive right in. First step, you'll need to navigate over to your Squarespace account. For those who might be less familiar with Squarespace, it's a popular website building platform that offers beautifully designed templates and easy-to-use drag-and-drop settings. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken to your home page. If not, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're there, you'll notice a button that reads Get Started. Go ahead and click on it. This will guide you into the main dashboard area. The dashboard is your central hub where you manage everything related to your Squarespace website, from tweaking designs to customizing content and, of course, modifying settings, like the favicon in this case. Now, with the dashboard in front of you, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll find the Settings option. Click on it, and this will open up a sidebar filled with various settings categories. Each of these categories serves a different purpose, but today we are solely interested in removing that logo from the tab. Next, look for the option labeled Favicon within the settings. The favicon, remember, is that tiny image that appears in your browser tab next to your site's title. Clicking on the favicon option will take you to a new screen dedicated to managing that small but important graphic. Now, you'll see an icon accompanied by a small ellipsis, or 3 dots on the screen. Clicking on this ellipsis reveals more options. One of these will be the Remove option. By selecting Remove, you are effectively telling Squarespace that you no longer wish for their default favicon, or any favicon for that matter, to appear on your site. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This is an absolutely crucial step. Look for the Save button, usually conveniently placed and clearly labeled. Clicking it will update your site with the changes you've made, ensuring that the Squarespace logo has been completely removed from the tab. And that's it. You've now successfully removed the Squarespace logo from your browser tab, leaving a clean slate for your own personalized favicon, should you decide to add one in the future. Remember, little details like this can make a big difference in setting your site apart. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on enhancing your website.